Hi guys, me Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's take a look see our chart. That's interesting. Yeah, the didn't go as well. And it's a break, so technically it was. The place to look long. But look what it did instead. Dune. And I can see now. Bums. Bumses. That's wild. This is wild. Boom. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Didn't government buy share in Intel? Beautiful moves. Done. Tell me I'm out of KHC. No, I'm not. Wait, what? Not even close. You see, we see another problem of the um, options. So the bid is 52 cents right now. And I was buying it at 87. So the same spot on chart, now no one wants to sell, to buy. Put it 87. Well, it makes sense also. It gets cheaper as the time progresses. We're looking into April. But anyhow, we're looking down now. It is what it is. Yeah, volume distribution is right, I think. Volume distribution is right. Even though we changed direction. And 0.5 is far above us. It is what it is. It went down without me. Walk, walk, walk. What can you do? Will I will need to tap here because it's counter trend. Can I go without a test? Probably I could. The volume died here. Well, once again, I could have started accumulating the position. It's the biggest volume from this approach, from the last approach, because it's like multiple. I don't think it matters. I think what matters is here. And it's absolute weakness. So yeah, probably could skip a test to start collecting the position and then open more. Yeah, I was wrong on this thing. Peon. See, it went there. It would have broken me even, but anyways, my hourly charging was wrong. I did coincidence of the levels, whereas, yeah, whereas it wasn't the biggest volume, so I should have started through transition experiment. That would have helped me to avoid stop. It's okay. Was a learning experience right here. It did go, you see, like a climax here and then made its move, but without me. Okay. Look short. It looks short. Holy crap, please. Wake up. Thank you. Yeah, I don't think it's a good idea. And this is too close. We need to see how it interacts with this level. Boom. Interesting. Um, Bar levels are a one-time thing, so This is in point 5 now. Thing is, oops, thing is, I'm sorry. I need to learn to sneeze in my elbow. I don't know why, but in my childhood, we've been trained to sneeze in my mm, in the fist, which makes no sense, right? It kind of like it's a dirty place, and it also contaminates your um arm, your hand, is which we touch a lot of things, so it totally makes sense to sneeze in the elbow. However, I still run the habit of either not covering myself at all or um, just sneezing in my fist, like I just did. Okay, good exhaustion, good exhaustion, but like too high, way too high. Yeah, you see now I'm touching my hair. That's how contamination spreads. Um, mm, oh my gosh, you guys, we got one of our friends, political activist, detained yesterday. I mean, his interview pending, lawfully present interview pending. Horrible thing. And he was like able to record a couple of Instagram reels. So we are now collecting the money and all of that. Uh, because his car was taken to the was towed, and now he incurs some legal costs somewhere out there in detention center. Horrible, horrible situation. Hopefully he's gonna be good. Yeah, that's the situation here. Don't believe much in this volume is alarming. The rest would be nice. Yeah, like these volumes are weird. And it's like way above 0.5. It's not common for short wave. So this thing continues to grind. Apple is an alien. There's always an alien stock that doesn't care about what's going on and lives its own life. Walmart was one of those recently. Now it's Apple. I've been entertaining myself with the idea that maybe I should downgrade my qualifications for the stock I monitor and maybe to liquid stocks are less exposed to this like sacred geometry that I use to trade because they're too like volatile. Um, Too much volume maybe is not good too. But yeah, it's a good in continuation of the trend. This looks like an exhaustion volume. This like last minutes. Still, and we'll see how it does around this level. Um, mm, well, the thing is, yeah, It's got to be short now. We can't continue our old long levels once correction started. It's mismatch of superior inferior time frame levels. And when superior time frame levels, ooh, look at this though. Ooh, how beautiful it was. Maybe too beautiful. It's like way beyond. It just asks for exclusion. It just asks to keep this level. But no. Yeah, I see how beautiful. It validates the level. There's nothing here. In any ways, there is no one for us to escape. Uh, that was a quote for Sergei Davidov. Davidov's The Border, the Russian anti-war self-confession. I staged for Hollywood Fringe last year. Yeah, it looks beautiful, but rules are rules. But the rules are rules are rules. Let's see our gainers losers. We're talking red. This stock is gone. Bye bye. We're watching it. I need to get to the levels. Okay. Well, this shouldn't matter anymore. Wait. Uh-huh. Oh, and we need a close manipulation signal. Yeah. However, it's good for exhaustion, right? Look at this guy. Look at this guy. And it kind of fell down there, you know, like it didn't come here and break it, but it like just fell and there's no um break. It went all the way back down. So maybe. Yeah, it's gap with retest for sure. We are underneath this volume. This initiative takeover that didn't take over. Turn long And then boom, initiative take over today. Let it go. This all doesn't make much sense. It's a red day, don't you think? Not for the Boeing company. Not for the Intel. Not for the Apple. That's not Apple, it's Applovin. Applovin in the hope that um, why am I waiting for this 0.5? It doesn't make any sense. In the hope that people will buy it thinking it's Apple. Oof, that's a good one. Volume wise. It's a good one, volume wise. Just in the wrong place in monthly. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go. I'm gonna let you go. You know what I mean? Oracle tries to revive. I'm gonna let you go. Uh, mm, okay, yeah, guys. I'm gonna go start my day. Um, you trade responsibly on your own. Uh, hear everyone. Don't listen to anyone. No one knows anything. Learn and grow in the communities of like minded